Hey everyone, how's it going? So it's time for another Pokemon Surprise Fold, and in today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw Charizard versus Dragonite. Now, if you guys would like to see any other Pokemon Battle Surprise Folds, definitely let me know in the comments, and I'd be happy to try them out for you. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Now, to start off with our Charizard versus Dragonite Surprise Fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to begin by lining up the corners and making a nice fold right down the middle here. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time, and I'll give it another nice fold. Now when I open this up, I have these nice guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And I always like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for the surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin with Dragonite over here. Now I'm going to begin with the eye. So let's start right here, and let's just make a little diagonal line for the eyebrow. Next, I'm going to draw a line that curves down, and then another line that's going to curve down here. And then let's make a little curved line right here. Now, starting from the top, let's bring this line down at a curve. Then let's start here. Let's do that same thing. And then I'm going to make a big smiley face shape right here, and we'll just kind of color in this part. Now, let's make the nose. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up and then down. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come right to about here. Starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go down. I'm going to kind of color in a little bit for the nostril. And then right here, I'm just going to make a little bit of a wavy line. And then I'm going to curve this and make that same wavy line. Then right up here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up and then down for a spike. And then I'm going to curve this line down to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve over to here. And then I'm just going to continue this line down to here, kind of towards the corner. Then starting here, I'm going to draw this line down. And then we'll make a little line that's going to curve down here for the stomach. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down for the arm. And then another one right here that's going to come down for the arm. And let's add a little line right there. Let's make some little curved lines right across here to kind of make it look like the belly is scaly. And then for the wing, I'm going to draw two lines that come up, and then a line that curves down here. Now, once we have Dragonite done, then let's go ahead and start with Charizard. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come up and then down for the nose. And then I'm going to make a diagonal line right to here. I'm going to come up for the eyebrow, and I'm going to bring this line back to here. I'm going to bring this down a little bit for the horn. Then I'm going to bring this line back here. Next, I'm going to bring this line back for the back of the head. And then let's start on the eye. Let's start by making a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come back for a check mark. We'll make a small line here, and then a taller line right here. We'll draw a line that comes across here. Then we'll draw a line down for the eye. And then a second one that comes down here. Then we'll make that little smiley face shape and just color this part in for the pupil. We'll curve a little line down for the nostril. And then let's go ahead and make the bottom. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to go down and then up a little bit. We're going to bring this over and then kind of curve it up for the jaw. Next, I'm going to bring this line down to here. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up, and then a second one that's going to come up for the wing. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and kind of over. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and we're going to curve out like this. We'll make a line that's going to come down for the stomach. And then I'm going to curve a line that's going to go in and down for the arm, and we'll do the same thing here, kind of curve it in and down. And we'll do a little line right there for some detail. Now, once we have all this drawn on our Dragonite and our Charizard, let's open this up and draw the inside. Now, once we open this up, we have two halves of our picture. We have Dragonite over here and then Charizard. We got to fill out the middle. So I'm going to start right here. I'm just going to begin by drawing this line down on the back of Dragonite, just to kind of connect the two halves. Next, let's bring this line down, and we're going to curve it right to here. Then I'm going to bring this line up a little bit, and I'm going to bring it over. Next, let's go ahead and draw a line that's just going to come down here. And I'm going to make a little curve line right here for some detail. Now, I want to make Dragonite's Hyper Beam attack. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come out like this, and then out like this. I'm going to make a little line that goes in and then back out, and then same thing here, kind of in and then back out. I'll do this again, and we'll come right to here. Same thing, kind of do it again, and then right to here. Next, I'm going to start up here, and I'm going to make these kind of like jagged, kind of pointed little lines to kind of make it look like he's got that Hyper Beam attack going on. And then in here, I'm going to add some little kind of zigzag lines, and I'm doing two sections of them. So I'm just kind of making these zigzag lines all over here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down for a tongue. And then I'm going to draw a line that comes down here. We're going to jump over the attack and then come to here. We'll do one more line here, just kind of down, jump over it, and come right to here for the other side of the mouth. Next, let's work on Charizard. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to kind of come down and then up to here. Next, I'm going to bring this over, and then I'm going to bring this down to here. I want to make this come down and then right to here. Then I'm going to bring this all the way down to here. I'm going to make a little tooth here, and then a tooth right here. Then I'm going to draw a line for the tongue. I'm going to go down and up, curve it around, and bring it back. Next, I want to make Charizard's flamethrower attack. So I'm going to start by making some wavy lines, and these are going to have some little kind of like pointed little curvy lines in them. And then same thing here, kind of like these pointed little curvy lines. So it kind of looks like fire. Then I'm going to make some pointed lines right to here, so it looks like it's hitting Dragonite's Hyper Beam attack. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down here, and we're going to jump over the fire. And then we're going to do another one, so it looks like we can see the other side of the mouth. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Dragonite versus Charizard surprise fold. So when we have it all folded up, the two Pokemon are facing off, and then when we open it, they're using their Hyper Beam and Flamethrower attacks. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.